wait. I actually do it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Jack of Everything. So today, we're going to be unboxing the new iPad 7th generation. Right, Whit?
Yeah.
Right now he's holding a marker right now. And right now we have the space gray and the gold version. So let's get to the unboxing. So Whit, what should we unbox first? The space gray or gold?
Space gray.
Okay, we're going to unbox space gray. So just going to remove the wrapper off. Ooh, that was pretty fast. Okay, and... oh, guys, there's the iPad. It's in its case. So now we're going to remove it. Oh, I think you just pull this tab.
Yeah.
Here, guys, we're just going to... actually, no, I don't think it's out. You just slide it out like this. Ooh, guys, look. There's the iPad 7th generation. And right now, here, wait, hold on, wait. Here, you can do the back part of it. Okay, ready, guys? Here, Mom, get this part. Bam. Now we're going to slide it out.
I'll do the back.
Okay. Oh, actually, no, there's no back. You just slide it out like this. Here, come on, wait. I didn't pull this part. Ooh. Oh, I mean, Wick made it greasy a little bit, but guys, look at that. Look at it, it's gorgeous. And guys, the back. So guys, and also, just if you don't know what the iPad 7th generation, I'm just going to show you around it. So here we have the front display. We have a 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera. And then here we have the home button / Touch ID sensor, because this thing has Touch ID, obviously. And then on the left side, we have the smart connector, which is a brand new thing to the normal iPad, where you can connect a smart keyboard by Apple. And here on the bottom, we have the speakers and the lightning connector to charge the iPad. And right here on the right side, we have the volume minus and plus. And on the top, we have the sleep / wake button, the microphone, and the headphone jack. And Apple hasn't actually got rid of it yet. And here we have the 8 megapixel iSight camera and another microphone with the iPad branding and the Design by Apple in California part and the model number. So yeah, now we're just gonna boot it up. And guys, there is the Apple logo. So we're just gonna wait for it to boot up. So guys, now the iPad is booted up, and if you're wondering why it didn't show up to the hello screen, I just want to say that this was already set up like a couple days ago because I wasn't here. But anyway, yeah, this is the iPad 7th generation, space gray. But first, let's move on to the gold. So guys, Whit's gonna open it now. Ready, Whit? Oh, wait, here, look, you just do this. Just open it. Ready, guys? Whit's gonna open it. Oh my God. Now here, wait, I'll pull it out for you, okay? Here. Oh, hold on, wait. Here, put it on the table and make sure they see it. Oh, and now just wait, pull it out. Just oh wait, you have to pull that off too. And just pull it. Oh, Whit made a smudge on it. At least it has his DNA on it. So yeah, this is the iPad 7th generation in the gold color. So guys, I'm gonna give you the tour this time. So on the front, we have the 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera. And then here's the home button / Touch ID sensor. On the left side, we have the smart connector for the keyboard attachment. And on the top, we have the sleep / wake button, the microphone, the headphone jack. On the right side, we have the volume minus and plus buttons. And here we have the speakers and lightning connector. So let's boot it up. And there is the Apple logo screen. This time we get a black Apple logo because we got the white bezels on the gold iPad 7th generation. So we're just gonna wait for it to boot up.
Yeah.
So guys, the iPad just booted up. So since this is Whit's iPad and it has a passcode, he's just gonna enter it. But we actually did a clip before this that Whit accidentally disabled it. So I'm just gonna enter it for him. So guys, I just booted up. So it looks like Whit pressed his fingers on the wrong place. But yeah, this is the iPad 7th generation in gold. Here it is. This is all Whit's apps if you want to look at it. And yeah, so that's Whit's iPad. So we didn't do this yet, but let me show you inside the box. So we're gonna show you inside the box for the space gray iPad. So when you look in the box first, you get paperwork. Designed by Apple in California. And when you look inside it, let me just slide all this out. Oh gosh. We got some repertory information, more repertory information. We don't care about that. Looks like we got a setup guide just to say, just saying that this is the smart connector and the lightning connector. Just put this under here. And then iPad. Flip. And then here it said, oh, the smart connector and the lightning connector. It just says it again. I do not know why, But hold on, wait. If you guys buy a lot of Apple products, you're probably gonna say, where's the Apple stickers? Well, oh wait, hold on, they're actually in here. There is Apple stickers! So that took a pretty long time to take out. But yeah, there's the Apple stickers. So now we're just gonna put them back in the slot so that whenever Mac wants to look at his iPad, he can just look at it. And also, if you're wondering where Mac is, he's just downstairs. And yeah,
No,
so we're just gonna.
upstairs.
Oh, he's upstairs. So, and then when you look in here, when you get the power adapter, you get a 12-watt power adapter. So you just plug in your USB port and you plug it into a power bar or a power outlet. I can't really show an example because there's no power outlets nearby. But yeah, and the last thing that's in the box is, of course, the lightning cable, because if you don't have a lightning cable at your house, how are you going to charge it? Well, you have one. So I'm just going to take this off really quickly. Bam! There's the lightning cable. Ooh!
Well, look.
What? Oh yeah, Whit wants to show you something. What?
So it will go on this side.
Oh wait, don't scratch it.
It will go on this side.
Yep, and it plugs in. Wait, where's the power? Oh yeah, and the USB part goes in here, and the lightning cable goes in there. Wait, they already know that. They're not. Yeah, it's not like they don't know anything about Apple. So now I'm just gonna show you around the iPad and just do some like tests. Well, not really tests, but I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of stuff. So first, we're gonna test out the camera because why not? So I'm just gonna take a photo of maybe just these paintings. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
So guys, we're looking at the photo and wait, what do you think? It's good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's an 8-megapixel camera. And now we're gonna try out the selfie camera. Wait, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, get in the selfie. Okay guys, we're gonna try out the selfie camera. 3, 2, 1.
Jeez.
So guys, now we got the selfie and wow, that's actually better than my iPad. Jeez. Yeah, because if you guys don't know, I have the iPad 6th generation. So the iPad 7th generation has a way better camera.
7.
Yeah, 7-megapixel. Mine has a 1.2 megapixel.
Nah.
Yeah, it's not that good. But yeah, this is the selfie camera. So
And
now
this
we're gonna
what,
try
if you open it, this will look like.
yeah, that's what it will look like. But yeah, that's the end of the iPad 7. Ow, wait, just hit me in the head. That's the end of the iPad 7th generation unboxing and review
Now
video. Thank you guys so much for
this.
watching. Remember to comment, like, and
No, what
subscribe.
about this one?
We already unboxed that, Whit. It's right there.
Okay.
So guys, that is the end of that is the end of the iPad 7th generation unboxing and review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. So guys, before I end that video, I just want to say that in the video I said that the iPad 7th generation had a 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera, but I looked it up on my iPad and it said that it had a 1.2 megapixel FaceTime HD camera. What is wrong with me? And also, I forgot to mention that the iPad 7th generation had a new 10.2-inch Retina display. Because last year's iPad 6th generation, released in 2018, if you guys are watching in like 2020 or 2021, it had a 9.7-inch Retina display. But this year it has a 10.2-inch Retina display. So that's a good screen upgrade. So guys, I will see you guys in another video. Bye!